everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. Are you afraid of Chinese spices? In fact, I'm a little afraid, although I'm Chinese. When I started to learn about it, just like walking into a traditional Chinese medicine shop, such as this dried orange peel. It's usually saved for at least 1 year, usually 3 years. In traditional Chinese medicine, people believe it helps digestion. After a buffet, eat it? Oh, probably not. I don't think you'd enjoy eating it like that. We usually use it in braised dishes or drinks. It adds a warm, slightly bitter citrus aroma, not fresh, but deeper. Don't worry, this is an advanced ingredient. Today, I will introduce some basic spices which make your food taste delicious. The first group is fresh aromatics, used to build the base of flavor. These are scallions, ginger, and garlic. Sometimes we add them to soups or braised dishes. Boil them with food. Let the flavor slowly develop. Also, we heat them in oil. The oil picks up their aroma and creates the foundation for stir-frying dishes. Don't worry, it won't explode your pan, as long as there's no water in the pan. It's no more dangerous than frying a piece of meat. Then there are dried spices, star anise, bay leaves, and cassia bark. These are commonly used in braised dishes and soups. This is star anise. In Western cooking, it's often used in desserts or mild wine, but we use it for braising meat. It adds a warm, slightly sweet aroma. This is bay leaf. Yes, Apollo's crown. We use it in braised dishes too, just like in Western stews. And this is cassia bark. It looks like a lot like cinnamon, but the flavor is stronger and more pungent. You can use cinnamon as a substitute, but please don't try to bite to compare. We are not rodents. Leave the hard chewing work to my hamster. This is white pepper, fruit, and powder. It usually comes from the same plant as black pepper. Black pepper is picked before it is fully ripe, while white pepper is made from riper pepper berries. The outer skin is removed, so only the pale seed is left. White pepper has a warmer, sharper flavor. In Chinese cooking, we often use it in soups. It helps reduce meaty smells and gives the soup a gentle, peppery aroma. Last, this is 13 spice powder. It is a Chinese spice blend with star anise, cassia bark, pepper, cardamom, dried citrus peel, and many other spices. It is a little like curry powder. Many spices mixed together in one packet. but use it very carefully. A tiny pinch gives your food a warm aroma. If you pour in too much, your dish may taste like a traditional medicine experiment gone wrong. These are the common ones. Also, there are a few spices both popular in Chinese or Western kitchen, such as cardamom, cumin, and black pepper. So don't worry, we use a lot of familiar spices too.